In this video, you're going to learn how to add your first 5 posts to your Facebook page. So to get started, what you want to do is make sure that if you have a brand new page, you might be having a couple of posts like this that show your cover image and profile that you've uploaded. So what we want to do is actually just go ahead and delete these or hide them from the timeline, because we really wanted the posts that we show to our audience to be highly valuable so that they understand why they should like this page and why they should really want to see updates from us in their newsfeed. So that's why it's very important, before you even go ahead to invite people to like your pages, to create a base of content, maybe 3 to 5 posts that really show why somebody should follow your page. So the first post that you could make is simply just a milestone post. And what we want to do is select that from the drop down. We can add a milestone to your page. And you could just say something like, we're open for business. Then today's date, location if that's relevant. To say we're open for business. Okay, so I've added in a little bit of text there. We're delighted to say that we are open for business. Always check the spelling. We look forward to engaging with you here on our brand new Facebook page. Like this page to stay updated. So you can say something simple like that with a call to action like this page. You could even include an option there to get people to go to your website. You can upload a photo as well. So just found this photo online. Come in, we're open. You can adjust that as you want. But the point is that you create a post that's a milestone post. We're open for business, or our Facebook page is live, whatever you want it to be. But that's a very simple first post that you can make on Facebook. Now, in terms of what else you should be adding in here, well, you can really add maybe a link to a blog article that you've written. And if you're struggling to get ideas for what you could put down, then a great thing to do is to look at some competitor pages. So I'm just having a look at some pages here. So let's just imagine that I was opening a restaurant in my city. What I could do is find a couple of Facebook pages of restaurants that are here locally that are doing well on Facebook, and you can determine that by the number of followers and engagements on their posts, and have a look at the type of posts that they're putting out. So here's a great example, and this could apply perfectly to a new business. Officially open in Belfast from 1 p.m. today. Find us at this address, and there's a picture of people queuing out the door. So as you can see, this type of post got a lot of engagements. Particularly for a local business, this is a great idea, because anybody in the city then will be likely to tag friends or share this, because they know the address of where they're opening and even the city and what time it's opening. And that could just be a photo from almost anywhere. The location, that could have been from a pre-party that you set up, and the official opening is today. So that's quite a clever use, and actually a great example of maybe a first post that you could put up. Here's another one, like free burgers. Get free burgers in our new Belfast place at 3 p.m. tomorrow, Saturday, until we run out. Address is 5 Fifth Hill, etc. So especially for local businesses, your first posts are actually a brilliant opportunity to get the word out quickly. And even if you can include something like a free offering, could be a free consultation, might not work for your type of business, but try and be creative to get that buzz going so that a lot of people are going to want to share that message. You can see 770 people obviously want to share free burgers. Who doesn't like that? So anything you can do in those initial posts to create some excitement is a great idea. So looking at some competitors that are doing well on Facebook is a great place to find ideas. Obviously, it's going to be different for every type of business that you have, but for your first couple of posts, come in and look what's working for them. Where are they getting engagement? What is the type of content? Is it a GIF like this? Is it competitions? How are they really doing it? Now here's another example of a restaurant locally as well. If we come down to the posts section here, we can take another look. So I think I saw some good. You could theme it around the season. December is just around the corner. So get booking at this address or this email address. Hopefully we'll see you soon. You can see quite a lot of engagement. That's just a quick video uploaded, catches the attention. And again, they're just saying the last few days to catch this special. Moving up again, last few days to catch this special. So obviously every business is going to be different, but really look at those successful pages in order to get ideas for your first posts. So it can be competitions, just say we're opening, could be links to your blog posts, but you need to put in about 3 to 5 posts here before you start to invite anybody to your Facebook page so that they have a reason to hit that like button in order to see future posts in their newsfeed. So you have to give them a reason in order to do that. And if you can give them a reason to engage with your content, they're even better, because that will help get the word out and get them to use their social network to spread and market your business.